In this video, I'm going to show you how to group in Figma. Once you have the items you want to group visible on your canvas, simply click and drag your mouse across the screen to select all of them. After making your selection, right-click on the selected items. You will see an option labeled Group Selection. Click on this option, and your items will instantly be grouped together. Now, when you click anywhere within the group and move it around, you'll notice that all the elements move together. This confirms that they are now part of the same group. If you only want to group specific items rather than everything on the canvas, you can do that too. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel that lists all the items in your file. If this panel is not visible, make sure you are in the File section rather than the Assets section. Once you're in the right section, click on the first item you want to group. Then, while holding the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, click on the other items you'd like to include in the group. After making your selections, right-click and choose Group Selection. Only those selected items will be grouped. When you drag the group on the canvas now, you'll see that only the grouped items move together, and this is how you can group in Figma.